Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make hamburger and potato soup. The best. Celery and carrots are in it. Not my thing, but I'm telling you, I think it was one of my favorite soups. It's easy to make. So, watch my video and please subscribe, ring that bell. You'll get all my new notifications. Okay, we're going to start with a medium onion. Then we're going to add a pound of ground beef. I'm going to break it up to really small pieces and cook it till it's no longer pink. Two cups of chicken broth and a half a cup of flour. Now the beef is till it's smooth. Okay, so I'm going to take the flour and the chicken broth and pour it over the hamburger and stir it for about 2 minutes till it gets thick. Now I'm going to add 2 more cups of chicken broth. Carrots, celery, basil, parsley, and garlic. Now we're going to add potatoes. This was supposed to be in the crock pot for 6 to 8 hours. I kind of got tired of waiting, so I turned it up to high. I probably cooked all together 3 hours. So now I'm going to add milk. Then I'm going to temper it so it doesn't curdle. I'm taking a hot soup.
It's actually the first time it's been in the shop.
I'm bringing this.
Yeah, I do everything else myself. Well, I'm just going to be fancy in the shop this time. We do it everywhere. It's a Subaru. I don't think she understands it. This is about to be a daily thing. How long is that supposed to take?
Stir it around. Now I'm going to add 12 ounces of Velveeta cheese. I'm going to let it cook for another 30 minutes, and then I'm going to add sour cream. Okay, so we're going to let it cook for another 30 minutes and see how delicious it is. French fries are gone into the air fryer. Because this one is on.